Mic check, mic check. All right. So I'm inside a Gravity Sketch and I wanted to record. My first reaction was unbelievable when I brought in my own model, which is her. She's Cadet C, and as you can see, I'm picking her up. I can zoom in close. I can scale her massive. Whoa. You know, um, it's just amazing. Yeah, you can bring in images, you know. It's just unbelievable. Scale the image, you know. Now, she doesn't have normal maps, meaning bumpy sort of textures, which this model does have a normal map. It's hard to explain if you don't know about 3D, but basically, yeah, like you could set different lighting and sorry, I'm just trying to figure this out. I still don't know how to use everything. Amazing. Whoa. That's not where you're at, homegirl. Alright, anyway. But yeah, like, my little model can be tiny, super tiny, or, and you could see in my, this is a low poly, avatar that I created, so all the textures are very low poly. They're not like 2K, they're like 1K texture. Um, Unfortunately, I don't see the bump. It's a normal map. It's like it would add like extra detail and crevices and lighting. Unfortunately, I don't think it's importing the normal map. So it's only the raw geometry and the texture. But look at that. I mean, I can make her massive, like a big monumental sculpture. Oh, she's actually see through. I gotta make back face. Um, this is just unbelievable. Like I've never experienced this kind of stuff before. Um, actually, I gotta take her and put her into the middle of the room. So then when I press the home button, she actually. So when I press this home button, it's sort of normal. Well, I'm still learning, you know what I'm saying? This is definitely new to me. Well, regardless, alright, I'm making an ass of everything, but you get my point. I can like grab her, turn her around, see her in real life. I can actually walk around her. Um, my room's kind of small right now, but I'm literally walking around her. The area of the VR that I'm in, it's I don't want to walk into my furniture, but I could walk up to her. I can go back. I can zoom her down. It's just unbelievable. Like really, this is a whole new level of experience when it comes to working with 3D models. Now, there is a flashlight. I just don't know where. Oh, look at this. Check this out, right? I could set her lighting, stage lighting. It's just unbelievable. I'm new to this. This is a 3D model that I created in ZBrush and in Blender, and I exported an FBX file, which I wish I could get the normal maps in. But now I imported it into Gravity Sketch with the desktop file sharing. It's called Android file sharing. And when you plug in your MetaQuest or your Oculus 2, if that's what you have, you plug it in with a cord to your PC, and then you can import files, or you could just go to Landing Dock or whatever it's called, the Gravity Sketch website, where you can create your own account and then you can upload and import images, references, 3D files, blah 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 blah. Oh, this is kind of cool. Look at that, man. Just the future is open wide. It's just unbelievable. Look at, I can like 3D design around her. Unbelievable, man. You know, could create like you can create all kinds of things, to be honest. So this would be like a polygon, and then I can go in and mirror that, or actually mirrored. But it's actually going to mirror on the it's not on the same axis. It would be mirroring here. So I would need this girl to actually be perfectly centered in order for me to then start to build. You see, I could start to actually recreate clothing, all kinds of things. Like, this is new to me. Like, I seem like maybe I'm fast, but I'm not. I'm very slow. Just learning this stuff, you know. But you basically can kind of create clothing. And yeah, it's just unbelievable technology. Smoothing, you know, unbelievable. Gravity Sketch, whole new world. I can't wait to learn more and to be able to like actually use these tools a lot better. Still kind of learning this stuff. Well, obviously, it's only a week in, and I'm pretty moving along pretty fast. But wow, I can make her like a huge monument. Just crazy. Unbelievable. Hope that recorded all my audio. Yeah, see, has actually bumps, but unfortunately this is not showing the normal map. That sucks. Unbelievable, man. Whoa. Trippy. I don't know what I just did there. Anyway, peace. Gravity Sketch. How do I get to the home? Is it? Cool. Yeah. Shit is crazy, man. Dramatic lighting. Alright, I gotta go. This is just crazy.